Okay, Joey's got a couple of kit cars here. Go ahead, Joey.
It's a 29 Gazelle kit car built in 1986. We built it for my dad, and he passed away, and we kind of just let it sit out. It kind of went downhill, but it's not a Volkswagen. It's actually a Chevrolet drivetrain in it. Air conditioned, everything worked. And it's a shame that we let it sit out here. But it's got a little Chevy motor in it, and probably some rats, and who knows what else.
A four-cylinder?
Four-cylinder. Looks like maybe it was a Chevette, if I remember
Chevette, okay, yeah, I remember those. Everything's still there, it just needs to be cleaned up and restored.
We drove it right here, and I parked it, and it hasn't moved. So it'll need carburetor kit.
Was running when parked.
Yep.
Well, at least it's been covered up, so.
On and off. It just kept, you know.
No, I mean the engine part. At least
yeah.
the engine part's been covered up.
Yeah.
All right.
I have a feeling it'll run. Just somebody's got to get back.
Got in there and tinker with it.
Tinker with it. And probably run again.
All right.
So,
and you said this one over here is like a parts car?
Yeah, it's a parts car. It'll go with it.
You take $2,500 for both?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's another.
But this one is actually a Volkswagen suspension with a Volkswagen motor on it.
Which is pretty normal when they do those kit cars, right?
Yeah. That's why that's more special.
Gotcha.
And this one's got all the parts there. It's got the fenders and the hood. And somebody started on this one, never finished it.
So shoot, they might be able to make two cars in, huh?
Yeah, might be able to make two.
You got the rear engine for the Volkswagen there. All right, well there's two cars for $2,500. This one's all fiberglass.
Yeah, they both are.
Both of them
Yeah,
are, okay.
they're fiberglass.
All right.